guys get off me. My stinky feet I just can't run away from, and my insomnia, well, good luck.
Get away, seasonal threat! You can use the Simply Earth recipe box to make your own natural products to support your health and wellness. Simply Earth's essential oil home remedies box is the easiest way to turn natural ingredients into natural products and unlock the magic of nature. Like a soothing lullaby, gently coaxing your body into a state of relaxation.
So you're telling me I can make a stinky feet spray, a calming aromatherapy rice pig, and breathe easy shower steamers, and more? Seasonal threats don't stand a chance.
Click below to join the box that has over 5,000 5-star reviews.
You've got to try this.
We're talking about a box that saves you money, gives you confidence to turn your essential oils into home remedies, and teaches you how to unlock the therapeutic benefits of essential oils that work for you. It's like a whisper from nature, sharing its healing secrets with you. With this month, you'll learn how to make a healthy home diffuser blend, Respiration Aid roll-on, a forest breath balm, and more. In the world of home remedies, essential oils are like a Swiss Army knife, versatile and ready to tackle any wellness challenge.
And I've heard that Simply Earth makes it so easy and has all these ingredients coming straight to my door.
So if you want to save money on essential oils that you'll actually use, start creating today with the Simply Earth recipe box.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes.
13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
With a new theme each month, you'll learn how to actually use your oils. It comes with a free big bonus box, an amazing community,
Free shipping!
exclusive discount, and no commitment. If you want to skip or pause your subscription, you can.
No way, that sounds way too good to be true.
It is really too good, but it's true.
I've seen oils like Ravensara, Cypress, Breathin' Easy, and Frankincense, man. These are some amazing ingredients to turn into some home remedies that I am in need of. Oh, come on! You have these cool extras that I can make into my home remedies now? Let's go!
And all our ingredients are certified pure from the farm. No synthetic fillers, fragrances, or toxic chemicals ever.
Wait, how can you be so sure?
All of our oils are backed with a GCMS test. What are you waiting for? Get the Simply Earth recipe box today and start creating with your essential oils.
Don't wait!
The essential oil recipe box sells out fast!